Hi everyone, it is Michelle and we are at my home garden today. It's September 9th and we have just received 2 days of rain. I didn't even check the gauge. Let me see. Okay, I'm glad I got that. That is just under 2 inches, and I've already dumped it once and it had an inch in it. So we've gotten close to 3 inches of rain in the last 48 hours. And I learned a hard lesson today. The lesson was pick your tomatoes if they're close to ripening before it rains. And the reason being is you will have all your tomatoes split. They do. This is crooked, I'm sorry. Drives me a little bit nuts. There. A little better. The tomatoes will split. So I have here a Brandywine, and you can see even the tiniest of tomatoes will split. This is a Brandywine. That's already splitting. I even have Brad's Atomic Grapes, fully ripened and splitting. I also have, I don't know, I think this is another, I'm not sure which one, but it's splitting right there. You can tell the splits on the top. This is one of those heirloom varieties that kind of split regardless, but they don't split hard and they callus over so that they don't drip the oozy juices out and cause bug damage. They dry up fairly quick. But I had a bunch of tomatoes. Thank goodness they did not split. This is a beautiful heirloom Abe Lincoln, and this is the most cat-faced tomato that I have this year. Look at that one. That's a good one. I like that. This is a beautiful tomato, but this is, I should have picked this before it rained. It did not split, thank God, but I'm picking it anyway because I have no idea. This one I picked, it's already been split and it has scabbed over, which is great, but I also accidentally poked it with my thumbnail and they're so soft. So yeah, that was my, oh, these things. These are Principe Borghesi's, these little cherry tomatoes. The reason I got these, I hope you can see it, it's got a little pokey thing on the end here. These, I grew this because they're really good for dehydrating. You split them and put them in the dehydrator and then they dry up and you can use them in pastas and stuff. But none of these, I got probably 24 of these off the plant today and none of them have split. And I think it's because there's not a lot of whole juice, not a lot of juice in there, not a lot of seeds. It's a lot of meat. That's why they're really good for dehydrating. I could be wrong. I'm not an expert. But I did. I picked up my whole tomato basket. I probably picked about 20 pounds of tomatoes today. And I should have picked them before the rain because now I'm going to have to find the ones that are split, take them inside, and I'm going to have to make more salsa, because I can't let them go bad and I can't let the bugs be on them. Fruit flies, I'm over it. I just got to get them out of my house. So just a little quick pointer. Make sure you pull your tomatoes off the vine if they're close to ripening so they don't split. I'm not sure if you leave a green one on the vine, if it's going to split. I didn't see any green ones that were split. I'm not an expert again, but I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you have a great day. September 9th today in my home garden. And so grateful we got a bunch of rain. I hope you have the best of luck in your gardening adventures, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.